Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Eufy Omni C20 to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Download app. Download the Eufy Clean app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Open app and register. Open the Eufy Clean app and create a user account if needed. Step 3. Add device. Tap the Add Device button to begin connecting your vacuum. Step 4. Select network. Follow the in-app instructions to select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Control vacuum. Once connected, use the app to control your vacuum cleaner. By following these steps, you should now have your Eufy Omni C20 connected to Wi-Fi. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Eufy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.